Hello everyone, welcome to my new blog, the Taman Botani Pardana Botanical Garden. This 226-acre park is the first large-scale recreational park in KL, and it was established in 1888 by the Britishers. But this is one of the most beautiful park, and this carries one of the most beautiful natural beauties in KL. This is an amazing view, to be honest. Amazing view. I cannot explain in my words. If you come with your family, with your children, with your girlfriend, with your friends, you can really enjoy your time. The natural beauty is spectacular. To be honest, I cannot explain in my words. This park is not only about the natural beauty, it is also about the animals, the birds, and the trees. There are around 6,500 trees in this park, in this garden, and a huge amount of animals are also there. Just we saw the monkeys are playing, right? So yes, this is a huge resource of natural beauty. This is a very good house for the animals. The structure behind me is called the Pardana canopy. Canopy means that is covering something by hanging. So yes, this place really look like that it is covering the Pardana Botanical Garden. Now let us meet our new friend, Topiary. Topiary trees are very unique and they look like the house of fog, right? That the fog is living below them. Very cute and unique trees, right? Our new friend is Eucalyptus doglopta. The other name is rainbow eucalyptus. The unique name because the color. The color of this tree is just look like the rainbow color, right? So this is why it is called the rainbow eucalyptus. So this was our today's vlog. I hope you have enjoyed the vlog and also enjoyed the beauty of Pardana Botanical Garden. I think and I feel that it is a mini heaven in the world, in the earth. And if you come with your family, with your friends or with other people or alone like me, you must enjoy this place because this place is really enjoyable, really beautiful, really calm and really breathtaking, to be honest. So see you in the next vlog. Have a good day.